You want to learn how to make authentic Jamaican banana pudding? Look at this, nice and tasty. I'm going to start off by blending 2 packs of Shirley Biscuit in my food processor blender. Now add it to the tray. Next, I'm going to use 4 egg yolk. Remove the eyes from the egg yolk. To the egg yolk, I'm going to add 2 cups heavy cream. Going to add 2 cups of evaporated milk. Going to add 1 cup brown sugar. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder. Going to add a pinch of sea salt. Going to add 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Going to whisk everything together. Now I'm going to make it boil on medium heat for 15 minutes until it comes thick. So it start to get thick. So you have to keep on whisk it. So as you can see, it get thick now. It is already 15 minutes. I'm going to turn off the stove. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 5 fingers of ripe banana. First, I'm going to peel 2 of the banana, mash them. So I'm just going to mash them like this. Now, I'm going to add the custard to the crushed ripe banana. Mix everything together. The next 3 fingers of ripe banana, I'm going to peel them and cut them in slices. Slice like this. Some thin slices. Now, I'm going to add a layer of ripe banana. Now, I'm going to add some of the custard on top of the bananas. Spread it out. Now, I'm going to add vanilla wafers. Now, I'm going to add the rest of ripe banana. Now, I'm going to add the last layer of custard on top. On top, I'm going to add vanilla wafers. So now, I'm topping it off with my homemade chocolate dressing. Now, I'm going to put it in the fridge for 6 hours. After 6 hours, the banana pudding is ready to serve. I'm going for a bite. This is the best Jamaican dessert